тебе шепчу: любимый, от счастья плачу и молчу. Sound to me, his voice caresses him. Oh, how his voice captivates and beckons. Darling, I'm whispering to you again. Darling, I cry with happiness and keep silent. В сердце холод без тебя.